Hello and welcome all students. Today we are going to learn about modal auxiliary verb by a teacher Mrs. Batul Sabuwala. Modal auxiliary verbs. We are going to study the modal auxiliary verbs today, students. So, the types, the modal verbs and the examples. Modal auxiliary verbs, also known as modal verbs: ability, permission, advice, obligation. And the last one is possibility. So let's see with the ability. The verbs are can and could. The example: David can speak 3 languages. The another example: he could speak fluent French when he was 5. So here we use the word can and could. For the permission we have can, could and may. We can see the example: can I sit in that chair please? You're asking for the permission. Could I open the window? Again you're asking for the permission. May I borrow your dictionary? Here you are showing the and asking for the permission. Now the next one, that is should, we use this for advice. The example: you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. We are giving them the advice. You should try to lose weight. We are advising the person. The next one, that is obligation, that is must and have to. We'll see the examples. I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. Means must, we are showing obligation. I must do that thing. The next one is you have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. This is a compulsion. Yes, you have to do that. The next one is possibility. It has the verbs like might, may, could and can. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. The next one, Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. So, we have seen the different types which modal auxiliary verbs we can use it. Now, modal verbs asking for the permission. We'll see modal verbs asking for the permission. Modal verbs asking permission. The first one, that is informal. We use the word that is can. And let's see now its example. Can I borrow your pencil for a minute? You're asking informal way. Can I speak to John Wilson? The second one that shows, that is politeness. And for that we use the word could. Let's see the example. Could I please have a glass of beer? Could I open the window? Can is for present tense and could is the past tense. Now we see for the formal. We use the word may. May I ask a question please? Or may we go home now? The next one, that is politeness. And we use the word would. Would you mind if I ask you something? I hope students you have understood the use of the modal auxiliary verb in the sentences. With that, students, thank you.